What was that explosion? Oh, dude, this is not good.
It's a catastrophe, bro.
Dude, it was only a matter of time, wasn't it?
Dude, they need to get away from. Oh my god. Dude, keep the truck on fire, dude. The fucking truck is on fire, dude. Oh my god.
Oh, dude, what in the fuck? Dude, this is fucking drama. We already gave him our fire extinguishers, man. There's nothing we can do. Ooh, damn, don't get yourself ran over. Shit. Damn. Hope the pallet yard don't catch it, because then it's going to be a fucking problem. Hey, this is going to be the end of the fucking... This is the beginning of the end for the tweaker shit across the street. Oh, no. No, I'm not being mean by filming when they're having a problem, but we already done extinguished our fire extinguishers. I got one left for my shop. It's deep in there. Yeah, I would move your truck. Damn. Woo, I'll tell you what. Dude, I hope my fucking cable don't go out, man. I got shit. I'm in the middle of surfing. Are you gonna get your keys and get that truck out of the way?
I need to get my keys.
Well, you better hurry, man. I can feel the heat. Are you okay? Shit. Oh man, this is not good. This is only a matter of time before this shit's gonna happen. Damn. Hope the fire department comes, man. Damn. Fucking trailer full of cardboard and a whole yard full of pallets. Just a matter of time. Come on, fire department.
Yeah, they're coming.
We already used our fire extinguishers. There's a little. What's that?
Any info on how it started?
No, just all I know is that trailer.
Just started.
Yeah, it just started going. I don't know how it started, but it's full of cardboard, and it's windy out, so it's a recipe for disaster, if you ask me.
Yeah.
If it goes that way, it's going to be a big problem.
Well, I'm worried because the wind's carrying those embers to those houses.
Yeah, for
That's
sure.
what I'm worried about.
Yeah.
So see how quick it.
Oh my God, that whole field is on fire all the way.
It's catching. Yeah, it's gonna catch really
Man,
quick.
they better. Yeah. This is going to be a problem. It's going to be like a 5-alarmer right here.
Yeah, at least 3.
The way that field is going.
Yeah.
Damn, man. I just got the internet put in too, man. Hope that doesn't. It's only a matter of time with the thing that's going on around here all the time. So, I mean, if it hits that pallet yard, this is going to be.
It'll be bad. It'll be a fine. Or bigger. Oh yeah.
Bonfires by the river. It only took 2 to make a bonfire. That's going to be a bonfire from hell if that goes.
That's, I think that's a big fire right there. They're looking to figure out how big it is.
Man. Just a matter of time. That's all we've been saying since day one. Man, I can feel that heat over here. I'll tell you what.
Oh, I can feel it. Yeah, no, I can feel it. Well, immediately I just parked my car down there because I know this is going to get real bad.
Oh, Lord. It's blowing everywhere. Shit, man. Where's the fire trucks? Glad it ain't my house that's on fire right now, man, because them fire trucks taking for days. We got fire stations all over the place over here, too.
I don't know how the fuck you start on cardboard.
No, man. That's crazy, though. I'll tell you what. I was just waiting for the fire department. I don't know what good that's going to do. Why are people trying to call me right now? Say the time. What the hell is that dude doing? Dude, if this thing goes out before the fire department gets here, that's gonna be crazy.
See, actually, that dude's just over there in the curb smoking a cigarette. That's what fucking started this whole thing.
We all knew it was gonna happen. There's the boss. There's the owner right over there. Not the owner of that place, but my landlord here.
I didn't even know how many people were back there, dude. Look, they're coming out of everywhere, bro. It's like an episode of The Little Rascals.
Dude, I didn't know there was that many people.
That's what I'm saying. Look, they all fucking...
They were all taking their nap. Damn. Shit, this shit's gonna go out though. Maybe. If it doesn't reach those houses, that brush is dry, but it's not like July dry yet.
It was funny as a joke, but it's not funny now that it happened.
No, I mean I don't want nothing to happen.
No, I don't.
But dude, it was only a matter of time. Fucking tweakers all night long. All day, all night with his fucking pallets and staying up, smoking cigarettes out there next to all that dry brush. Anthony just texted me, I don't know what he wants.
Caleb told me to send him the video.
Look like, what the heck? He's out there in the field fucking trying to put the fire.
There, dude.
Dude, get the fuck out of there. Where is the fire department? Oh, there we go, there we go. Now we're talking.
These dudes are tweaking.
You go up here. How long has this video been going? Hey, and we already tried to put it out before I even started this video. So it was going for like 5 minutes before I even turned this on. I already used up my fire extinguishers before I even thought about getting my phone. So it looks like it's dying out, but the field is on fire and it's like right in front of people's houses. But yeah, the cable line's gone. I hope we still got internet. Hey man, I got business, man. I got emails. Shit. We're working. All right, it's gonna go out here in a second.
That trailer's got a bunch of hydraulic fluid in it.
Don't let that pallet yard catch on fire. That's gonna be a problem, I'll tell you what. Damn, look at the telephone wires like melting up there. It's dripping down. You can't really see it on video, but it's... There we go. Look at that shit, it's dripping. That's our brand new fucking Google Fiber that they're putting in. They just put Google Fiber, or not Google Fiber, I'm sorry, Xfinity Comcast Fiber. And Here, another one. Hey Brandon, have you been in there yet? Check on the CNC machines? Machines in there running and stuff. Oh damn, that wind is, look at this, the other telephone pole's on fire now. Oh shit, here come the embers this way. Damn, it's lit over here at SMD headquarters. Everything good? Lose my internet. Where's our internet come from? I think from the other pole. But damn. Here, Brandon. Take this for a minute. You can hold it while you're talking, can't you?
Hey, what's up? Hey, I'm gonna be. I can't. I'm watching the work right now. The field's on fire. The pallet yard just got on fire. No, I said I'm stuck at work. I can't leave just yet. I was literally just getting ready to get my truck and leave, but the fucking pallet yard across the street just caught on fire, dude. So once the fire truck and shit get out of here, I'm about to bounce. So I'll call you. Like, oh my God! No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't. Dude.
Yeah, it's for my live feed of the fire. There we go. Yeah. Hey, the fire department's here. Everybody's safe now. He said, "No, you didn't." All right, you guys. I got nowhere to be.
Yeah, dude, I got important stuff I gotta go do.
Like what?
Important stuff, man. My nephew's birthday's this week.
You ain't got a damn thing to do.
Yeah, I do.
Stay here. Okay.
You mentioned about the fucking left like 10 minutes earlier. I wouldn't even know the fire was.
Oh, man.
I wonder how long you noticed.
Man, but when you came in, you said fire. I thought the fucking shop was on fire.
I thought
damn near fucking shit my pants.
Fucking close enough.
Hey, it's close enough, but hey, at least it wasn't the shop. Now I gotta get them to fill my fire extinguisher. Is it too early to ask them to fill my fire extinguishers back up?
Who built them? The fireplace? Or
Nah, man, I got this. Brian's guys
He's
done.
fucking in the field, dude. Look. He's like,
Oh, I'm gonna whip my razor around in there and do some donuts. That's the donut spot. Oh, the no dumping sign survived. Oh, damn, look. How many alarms is that? Look at that. We got more. We got more fire trucks coming. There's gonna be a problem with the pallet yard. See, what you guys don't know is, and most of them guys across the street are super nice, so I ain't got no ill will towards them. But it is some tweaker ass shit happening on it. I get here between 2:30, and some might call that tweaker shit, but at least I get up around here. I'm not spill up from yesterday and the day before. So yeah, I show up early in the morning, and this place is hopping across the street. nails, fucking pallets being nailed together, random cars. Like off in the distance, I'll see a car with a dome light. Oh, dude, they should. That'd be cool.
Some of the fucking, oh my god, rolling truck on fire. That I'll never forget that. Stop.
Well, here's the aftermath. How's this guy gonna park in my view with that fire truck? You can't even see the field with that truck in the way, man. Hey, I really did bust out the tripod. I'm tired of holding it. It's super fucking windy out here too. That is not helping. Let's go get by this trailer. Hey. That's it, folks. It wasn't my shop at least, so I'm good. I'm happy.
I like how everyone's like running around, putting up a fire, and like come out with the tripod, stick your phone down.
No.
This guy, dude, he just fucking
I did not put the tripod up until both my fire extinguishers are gone. All I can do is sit here and wait. Huh? So how does someone deliberately do that? I don't know. How many of those people over there smoke cigarettes? All of them, huh? Oh, no.
It started where I was. When it was not in the yard, didn't come out there.
Yeah.
Started right on the
I don't know. For it to be on purpose, it almost seems like you would have to like light it with a lighter. And I don't know. This isn't lighting a lighter weather. I don't know. Hey, I had nothing to do with it. All I did was try to put it out and it didn't work. It was too windy. And if it wasn't so windy, I bet those fire extinguishers would have helped.
Oh, yeah.
It was blowing all that white shit just everywhere. Couldn't even slow it down.
Yeah, I know. I have a commentary on that.
All right.
It went everywhere.
Fire is up.